Hey everyone, we're back here for another rip here of 2021-22 Series 1 Upper Deck and 2022-23 Upper Deck Series 1. Alright, got these at Walmart today, so let's take a look. Let's open this first pack here. New low price. See if we can get anything good in here. Young gun maybe? Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we go. We got UC Saros, Jordan Binnington, Anthony Cirelli, Artemi Panarin, Breadman, Josh Bailey, JT Compher, Chris Tierney, Nicholas Deslauriers, Kevin LeBlanc, Dominic Kubalik, Zach Werenski, Sean Walker, and we have a UD canvas of Kyle Connor. All right, there's our insert there. So Chris Kreider, Anders Lee, Marc-Andre Fleury, Roman Josi, Drew Doughty, Martin Jones, Tanner Pearson, Rasmus Anderson, Jakob Verana, Jared Spurgeon, Danny DeKaiser, Jack Roslovic, and Duncan Keith. All right, so no young gun there. So let's see what we get here on the 2022-23 Upper Deck Series 1. This is the first pack of the opening of this. It's been out for a while, but I haven't been able to get too many. All right, here we go. Jesper Fast, Brendan Gallagher, Sonny Milano, Victor Olofsson, Linus Omark. He's having a great year this year for Boston. Thatcher Demko, still hurt, I believe. Shea Theodore, look at those helmets. Shiny. Anthony Cirelli, Mark Stone, Brandon Saad, Tim Stutzel, Sean Dursey, Drake Batherson, Jason Robertson, Cal Peterson. Looks like it's going to be a base pack here. Oh, no. Okay, young gun there. Oh, I spoke too soon. I wonder who that is. Here's Brock Nelson. And Dylan Sandberg is our young gun. All right. Jeff Carter, Johnny Gaudreau, Carter Veree, I think, Gabriel Landeskog, Braden Point, Miro Niskanen, Brandon Tanev, Jonas Broden, Jonathan Dallin, Charlie Coyle, Series 1 checklist of Jason Robertson and Igor Shesterkin, JT Miller, and Frederick Gaudreau. So there's 2 packs. We did get I guess we got insert in both of them, right? We got Dylan Sandberg, young gun, and a Kyle Connor UD canvas right here. So that's not bad. 2 for 2 for inserts, right? So, all right, thanks for joining, guys. See you next time.